Miata is always the answer. The white Miata's engine is completely in pieces, and we have no idea why. Maybe the previous owner was taking it apart because it was having engine troubles, but we know the engine from the blue Miata works well, so we're going to take this one out, slap in the one from Old Blue. We don't plan on using this motor right now or transmission. It'll be nice to have it for extra parts and to see how things are supposed to go back together. With the engine and transmission out, there's no better opportunity to give it a quick clean. Wish I could take it out and power wash it, but with the air hose, maybe a little bit of degreaser, it'll turn out just fine. Now we have to refresh the engine on Old Blue.